Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kamoni because that's the name of my clothing line. So, your girl just had a birthday, and surprisingly this year I did something really small. Usually I go all out for my birthday, like I'm always throwing some type of big function or a big party, but this year, I don't know what was in the atmosphere for me to do this, but I wanted to do something really chill. I just wanted to do like a really cute bougie birthday with very few selected people in my life. But I'm not gonna lie, that's not gonna stop me from being extra. So I decided to make my own birthday dress. So boom. As you guys know from, what was it? I think it was I make a men's suit. I think that was the video where I said,
you can never go wrong with white, and you can never go wrong with being the most shiniest person in the room.
So that's exactly what I did. As you see here, I made a halter top gown. It's gonna be made of like glitter tulle, which was hard as hell to find. It's pretty, but it's not what I want. Again, it's pretty, but it's kind of giving me cheap. I wasn't gonna do that little Tinkerbell sparkle. No. I wanted to give that kind of sparkle like the witch from The Wizard of Oz, the black version. That's the sparkle. That's the sparkle I want to give. It took forever, but I finally found this fire glitter tulle. Like, and she wasn't cheap. She hurt my pocket pretty nice. And I still wanted it to be like semi see-through, but nothing too crazy. So underneath I did like a really thick chiffon as lining. You can see my silhouette, but you can't fully see through the dress. You feel me? Now, you know I had to put a corset in this dress, right? Okay, look, listen. Okay, look. Hear me out. I'm not gonna do a corset on the next dress. Finally! The next design I do, I'm not gonna put a corset in it. The next dress I am going to design is gonna be inspired by this look. So stay tuned and subscribe. If you subscribe, okay, your girl is almost at the monetization limit. And baby, when YouTube start paying me, oh, these designs are about to be disgusting. These designs are about to be nasty. Okay? Subscribe. Thank you, boo. But anyway, I put a corset on this dress. So here, y'all know I live for a little ruching detail on the fupa. Okay? If you know, you know. And I don't know, I always love that look of like, oh, I just tied this little piece of fabric on my hips. I love that look. It looks so like effortless. Like, you know what I mean? It is effortless, but it looks good and I like that. So I wanted to put that kind of detail on the gown. Y'all see it. Y'all know I live for a nasty slit. Y'all know I live for a nasty slit. And as you see right here for the back, I put a little fishtail train. I'm just gonna show you the real deal and reveal my birthday dress. Girl. Girl, look at the ponytail. Look at the ponytail. If you want to see how I got this luscious, long Rapunzel, natural curl ponytail, make sure you subscribe so you can see how I did this beautiful ponytail. I'm actually low-key pissed that it's not sparkling as much on camera like how it is in person. Because in person, see, when the light is a little bit more dim, you can kind of see how sparkly it is. But even then, like, the amount of sparkle that is on this dress, the camera is not giving and what it needs to give. It's absolutely disgusting how much I'm sparkling. So I got the really, really high slit. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I think I made this slit a little bit too high, but it's okay. I'm gonna work with it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make it work. And y'all know I love my signature little drape detail here. It gives the illusion I have a flat tummy. It's not a bow per se, but it's like, it looks like a little knot here. Like, oh, I just tied this little piece of fabric and made it a skirt. Like, it's not that cheap glitter fabric. Like, literally, there's almost zero space where there isn't glitter. Like, there's literally glitter everywhere. I look rich. I look expensive. You wouldn't even think that I got my accessories from Shein. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell on myself a little bit, but I got these earrings for, what was it? I think it was like $2? Something like that. It was definitely below $5. But it's not about the jewelry, it's about the drapes. I look like I almost look like a bride. Even though I'm single as a Pringle, but I'm looking for it. I'm about to run a little late. As usual, I love how my work turns out in person, like every single time. It's giving sophisticated bride until you show that leg. Invite me to the Oscars, invite me to the Grammys, invite me to the Met Gala. Let me do a Met Gala look and really gag y'all. Cause this is just me, or the fashion this year hasn't been gagging me. It hasn't been grabbing me by the throat. It hasn't been putting me in a chokehold, you know what I'm saying? The only one who has been shutting it down is Zendaya. Oh, and Doja. Let me stop playing with her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This was fun, as usual. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you follow me on all of my socials at Kamoni Collection. Or if you want to see more of me, make sure you follow all of my socials at just_Kamoni. Also, on my Instagram story, you get to vote on my next look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, let me do it the right way. Bye. After all the rain, you see the sun come out.